Now, this may be a secret weapon for Spotify to change the way things are going. Apparently, they're working on a piece of hardware to sit in the car. They call it the car thing.
Okay.
And it may or may not end up as an available product that you can buy, but it has shown up at the FCC for approval. It has a giant knob on it. It looks like a tablet. The premise is some sort of voice-controlled smart assistant that can interact in some way with your smartphone. Obviously, the car is a big way in which people listen to podcasts. Mm-hmm. They just spent $800 million on podcasts. Do they think that maybe by putting a device in your car, because Sirius and XM, they tried that at one time.
Right.
You're so angry right now.
I'm perplexed. I'm very confused. Okay, just go on.
Hey, man.
Keep going.
So it's Bluetooth enabled for communication with the car head unit, powered from a 12-volt outlet. The design, it looks like a mini tablet with some kind of button and a large knob. There's probably some sort of a screen in it. There's a few more pictures down there if you want to see some different angles. They did not say for sure that this is going to be a piece of hardware that they're actually going to sell. Here's a quote from Spotify. Spotify is focused on becoming the world's #1 audio platform, and we're continuing tests of a voice-controlled music and podcast device to help us learn more about how people listen to audio in the car, the company said in a statement to The Verge. While we don't have any further news to share at this time, we're always testing and seeking feedback from our users, rolling out new features and products. You do not believe in this device, Willie Do.
What? How is this different from your phone screen?
It has a big knob on it, Will, for volume.
Has a big knob.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, that's a game changer.
Your phone doesn't have a big knob, all right?
And like cars will have bigger screens.
I know.
You know?
I know.
Where is this going to fit?
You're so angry right now.
I'm just really confused.
Yeah.
And for a software company to go to make hardware is really hard. Hence the name.
I was going to say...
I'm very confused.
I was going to say, maybe it's more experimental than you think. Maybe it's super early and they don't make a smartphone. So maybe it's true. They're just testing some features with a dedicated piece of hardware. Maybe that's all it is, Will. I mean, that seems crazy. Why couldn't you just test with a regular smartphone mounted in a car?
No.
I don't know what to tell you. Oh, maybe. How about this? Maybe they eventually make the pitch to be installed into the head unit.
Yeah, that would make sense.
And this is a way of getting closer to that. Anyway, I don't know.
Right.
But look, they're looking for ways to live, to survive in this crazy future in which you're going up. Spotify is small compared to its competitors. You're talking about Apple and Amazon and yikes, man.
Yes.
You imagine the stress on a day-to-day of being Spotify? It's the biggest players in the world. It's Google, Apple, and Amazon. Those are your competitors. Wow.
Well, let's just see how this goes.